Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the phone and environment so the system can relearn your face accurately. First, update iOS and ensure battery is above 20%, because an interrupted setup can corrupt calibration. Next, remove any case or screen protector and wipe the true depth camera. Dirt or film changes infrared readings. Once done, stand in a well-lit area and open settings, then Face ID and passcode to reset Face ID. This ensures the initial capture is clean and reliable. Now you re-enroll Face ID with deliberate technique so the sensor maps features precisely. Place the phone at arm's length and follow the on-screen circle, rotating your head slowly to capture side profiles. This fills in depth data. Make sure lighting is even. Front lit is best. Avoid backlight because it degrades infrared detail. If you wear glasses, a mask variant, or large facial hair changes, add an alternate appearance so the model recognizes multiple valid looks. These steps reduce finish by testing Face ID in real-world conditions. Try dim light, bright light, and slightly different angles to confirm reliability. If it still fails, toggle require attention for eyes or disable it to see behavior differences. This setting changes how strict recognition is. If problems persist despite re-enrollment, reset all settings as a software fallback, but back up first since preferences are erased. Finally, if failures continue or true depth hardware is unresponsive, contact Apple support or an authorized repair center to check the sensor assembly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.